Hi everyone, have you seen a phone like this? It's one thing for the back cover to have screws, but these screws can actually be unscrewed. Then the phone's back cover just smoothly comes off. So if I buy a few more back covers, does that mean I've collected all the color variants of the phone? After seeing various traditional smartphones on the market, today let's look at something new. That is the CMF Phone 2 Pro under nothing, and the CMF True wireless earbuds released alongside it. CMF's market positioning is nothing's affordable sub-brand, so this is also a phone that allocates more skill points to design. You can see its color scheme is very bold. Flame orange itself is very novel. It uses two different processes to form a contrasting texture on the back panel. And similar to the previous generation, the CMF Phone 2 Pro also has a physical knob at the bottom, and it retains physical screws on the back panel. This highly customizable design also reminds me of people who used OnePlus One many years ago. They would change to a bamboo or other material back cover. Also, Moto previously launched Moto Make services. They all allowed the phone to have a bit more personalized layer by changing the back cover. You can see many of its design ideas are aimed at making people more willing to pick it up. The 7.8mm thickness and 185-gram weight bring a light and comfortable grip. The aluminum camera frame in the upper left corner is also a design concept inherited from nothing. It can be said that CMF Phone, just like its name suggests, truly integrates color, material, and finish into the product, making people happy to pick it up, play with it, and experience a brand new style. In terms of software, the CMF Phone 2 Pro also features a brand new essential space. It's a bit like the one-tap quick launch feature Oppo previously introduced, which integrates fragmented content into the phone. For example, I can short press for a screenshot and then input text, or long press to record via voice. All messages will be aggregated into the essential space. Now let's quickly go over its specs. In terms of cameras, the CMF Phone 2 Pro uses a 50-megapixel main camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide rear dual camera setup. It basically meets the needs for daily snapshot photography, but I found it has a particularly interesting function, which is importing or creating preset LUT. For example, I created a preset LUT myself. After adjusting the parameters, I can save or share it, and even open the preset directly to use it. So what was the point of buying those LUTs in third-party app for? Give it back, my baby! As for the CMF Phone 2 Pro's specific configuration, it features the Dimensity 7300, a 5000 mAh battery, 33-watt fast charging, and a 6.7-inch flat screen. Performance and battery life can meet daily usage needs. Features like Honor of Kings gaming experience, long battery life experience, high brightness screen scenarios, lightweight experience, etc. Its usability is consistently online. Also, there are two new earbuds here, CMF Buds 2 and Buds 2 Plus. Phones and earbuds from the same brand mostly have a unified appearance, maintaining design continuity. This time, the CMF Buds 2's charging case uses a similar color scheme, and this knob in the upper left corner, spinning it around when you have nothing to do, is quite stress-relieving. In terms of function, noise cancellation effect, sound quality experience, battery life performance are quite good among products in the same price range. Using them with the official Nothing X software allows for features like spatial audio, super dynamic bass, dual device connection, and a series of custom functions. Of course, due to positioning and price differences, the Buds 2 Plus's sound quality, noise cancellation, and battery life performance, the overall experience is definitely superior to the Buds 2. Anyway, my ears can't tell the difference. Just know that expensive has its reason. If you like it, just buy it. In today's homogenized or highly competitive smartphone market, it is indeed a breath of fresh air. Returning to simplicity, returning to usability, this should be the concept that current smartphone design should have. We also look forward to smartphone manufacturers bringing more fun, useful, and practical products in the future. Okay, that's all the content for this video. If you think this video was helpful, please give us a free like. You are also welcome to join the discussion with us in the comments section. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.